Hello, my name is Andrew Benson. Welcome to my channel. Today I've come to introduce to you DOYO gaming racing wheel, steering wheel for PC, 270-degree driving for sim game, steering wheel with responsive gear and pedals for PC, PS3, PS4, Xbox One, Xbox 360, Nintendo Switch, and Android phone. The link to download, the link to get this amazing racing wheel is much available in the description of this video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon so you don't miss any of my info like this. But without wasting more of your time, let me take you to a video that will enable and help you how to install and to use the racing wheel properly.
Hello, today I will show you how to connect the racing wheel with the computer. Then let's connect the pedal with the wheel. This is the USB of the pedal. Please look at this. There are two icons. This is for the pedal. We can put the USB port here. Then we found the light on the racing wheel is green. Now, the default model of the racing wheel is scene input. You can play the game controlled by the controller. If the game can only be played on the D input, we need to switch the model by press this PS key. Please note the light is red. Then we enter the D input, and we can customize the function keys in related games. After we set the model, let's look at the PC interface. We should enter the control panel, then search DOYO here. Now we can find the set up USB game controllers. There is a new window here. Look at this controller vibrating steering wheel. If it's like this, the setting is okay. We need to click the properties. This is the test interface. Now I will try the racing wheel. Please notice the cross icon here is moving, and I will try the key. Please notice the numbers are lighted. Then the racing wheel is connected. Hello. Today I will show you how to connect this racing wheel with PS4 console. And first we need to disconnect this controller with the PS4 console. Please note, if they are not disconnected, this controller can't be used to guide the racing wheel to control the PS4 console. Then I will show you how to disconnect this controller. Let's choose the setting. Then we choose the devices. Then the first option, Bluetooth devices. This is the controller name. Yes, notice this. Disconnected, we choose it. Okay. You will find the light is off. When the light is off, the tool is disconnected. After the controller disconnected with PS4 console, I will show you how to connect the racing wheel with it. At first, I need to connect this controller with the racing wheel. Then we use this USB cable to connect the controller. Okay, this is the USB cable of the racing wheel. I will connect it with the PS4. Please note here, the light is on, then the connect is okay. We need to press the logo key, then you will find the light of the controller is on. Then let's connect the pedal with the wheel. This is the USB of the pedal. Please look at this. There are two icons. This is for the pedal. We can put the USB port here. Then we can use the racing wheel to control the PS4 console. You can see we can choose the icons here. Hello, today I'd like to show you how to connect this racing wheel with the PS3. Then let's connect the pedal with the wheel. This is the USB of the pedal. Please look at this. There are two icons. This is for the pedal. We can put the USB port here. Then let's connect the USB of the racing wheel with the PS3. Look at this. You will find two USB ports. Let's choose one. When the connection is successful, you can see the light. The light is red and always on. Hello, I'd like to show you how to connect this racing wheel with the switch. First, let's set the switch. Let's go to the settings. We can choose the controllers and the sensors. Please look at this. This option is often defaulted to be off. We need to open it. Please note, if this option is off, the switch can't connect with this joystick. Then let's connect the pedal with the wheel. This is the USB of the pedal. Please look at this. There are two icons. This is for the pedal. We can put the USB port here. Then let's connect the wheel with the switch. This is the USB of this wheel. We need to use OTG. Let's do it like this. Then this is a Type-C port. We can put it here. Let's try if we can connect the wheel with the switch. Look, we can choose on the interface. Let's try the first game.